everyone, and welcome to JR Jeep. I'm glad you could stop by. If this is your first time here, welcome. Glad to have you. If you've been following for a while, also glad to have that. Consider subscribing in either case. We'd love to have you stop by and see more of what we're sharing, all in the hopes to help everybody out there in relation to their journey, in relation to overlanding or camping or whatever have you. So today we're going to talk a little bit briefly around camp stoves in relation to powering the camp stove. In this case, you see I have an Eureka Ignik camp stove. I've done a slight review of this before. Great unit, really love it. When I was trying it before, I was using Coleman Propane, little bottles. Many of us are familiar with these. They cost about $9 on average. Once in a while you can find them on sale. And they'll be good for a few goes at cooking out or whatever else have you. But not necessarily the most conductive or cost efficient, nor are they refillable. So if you're looking at from a landfill aspect, if you're looking at from being responsible for the environment, this isn't maybe the best idea to go with. So what I would suggest, and many others have before, is get yourself a small tank. So in this case, this is a 5-gallon tank by Ignik. It comes in this nice case. And excuse me, I have to get it out today, but there we go. As a kit, it does come with the adapter and everything to go to a camp stove. So this replaces about 10 of these. So that's a nice cost savings in relation. Now you're asking me, what does this cost? Well, if you watch them on sale or you just watch in general, they're going to cost around $130 or $150 on average, depending on the version you want. This one I so happened to pick up at REI this spring. I had a deal with the points I had accumulated over the last year. That gave me a substantial savings, and then they had a coupon off as well. So this actually only cost me right around $90. In context, I think that's a really good value. Is these cost, like I said again, about $9 a bottle. This isn't refillable. This is. I did have to have it plurged and filled today, as this was a new unit. So there isn't every place that offers plurging. You may have to look this up online. I did find out that Tractor Supply companies near me offer that in an area not too far away from where I live. So I took a drive out there today to get this done. Now you may ask, what it costs to fill this after plurging it? Well, it was a whopping $2 and about 60 cents to fill this. So as this will get 10 times more use than this, I think this is going to be a massive cost savings. I mean, you fill this a few times, this is overall going to take care of the cost savings of buying the unit overall. Plus, like I said, it came in this nice case that protects the unit against rolling around or anything in your car. You can also secure it. It's got MOLLE panels on there that can be secured pretty easy, and it came with the adapter. So I would definitely look into getting something like this as you're planning some overland camping, because it will be a great cost savings to you. I wish I would have known about this years ago. Quite frankly, I used to guide for a living, part living, back in the day. Muskie fishing used to serve shore lunch, and that was with the old white gas Coleman stoves, which in their context weren't that ineffectual for cost effectiveness over the tanks. But it would have been nice not have to carry that stove fuel around. They also were not the best in different kinds of weather, whereas this is a lot better in all sorts of weather. So again, I look forward to having you here. If you haven't subscribed, please consider giving a thumbs up to the video today. I'm glad you stopped by and look forward to seeing you in the future. Bye-bye.